Hey everyone, how's it going? Let me turn my fan off here. So, I have been working on my tractor just a little bit, on my hydraulics. So, as you can see, I got a hydraulic set up here, and a hydraulic set up here. Well, but I also got the two factory ones. So, you can't see inside there, but there's two hydraulic remotes inside the tractor. There's a valve down underneath my cab right there. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. I mentioned it before. So like you see, I got a set there and a set there. Show you what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. So here's my seat where I'm sitting. Back here. Anyways, sorry I hit the wrong button. But back here behind the seat next to the back wall, these are the two hydraulic remotes for the factory remotes. And that's kind of inconvenient because you have to a little bit of a strain to operate these remotes back here. But I got this joystick here from a loader. So what I did, those two brand new remotes, hydraulic line setup I got back there, are tied in to this joystick. So when I have it set up, forward should be tailgate down or mower down. Pull back, I'm going to have it where pulling back, I will raise the tailgate or raise the mower. So side to side will be one of these is going to be when I'm on my baler. Side to side will be tie arm out and tie arm in, or this will be one of them be where my arm comes across and ties the belt. So that's how I got this set up. So up and down will be tailgate up, tailgate down, mower up, mower down, and the side to side will be the swing tie arm out, and then tie arm back in to actually tie the belt. So that's how I got that. And like I said, the reason why is just reaching back here behind the seat. You can see where the seat is. Back here is where the remotes are. You know, they're out of the way for sure, but they're just kind of inconvenient when you try and operate the mower or whatever, different heights and stuff like that. You have to reach behind the seat and stuff like that. So now all I gotta do is just operate, use my joystick to for everything. So and I can actually lock that in place so it's not movable for any reason, and then of course unlock it and stuff like that. So that's the plan for that. So I will have to work it a little bit to get to loosen it up. It shouldn't take too long. So actually I probably should at least start it up, operate the yep. Alright, so now I got strain on both of them. I ought to be able to go out there and make sure there's no leaks on the valve or the couplings back there to have to work with. Oh, also got my brand new starter. It is in and it is not damaged, so that'll be my next project. So I'm gonna look back here. No leaks on these hydraulic fittings back here. No leaks on here. So now the question is there any leaks underneath here? And I don't see none. So no, that looks like it's held in, or looks like that's done right. Looks like there's no leak. So yeah, right here, this is the valve for the forward and the back for my up and down. Well, I'm gonna set it. And this one, this block here is gonna be for the tying arms for the baler. So that's what that was for. So that's how that's set up. And I done stunk the shop up a little bit, so I'm gonna get out of here, go in, and I got early. I gotta get up about 12:30 in the morning. So that's how everything. That's what I've been doing, and looking forward to mounting it permanently so I can use it. I'm gonna be cutting hay pretty soon. So y'all have a good one. I'm gonna get out of here and eat and go to bed. So y'all have a good one. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless. And I will holler at y'all at another time. All right, bye-bye. Hey everyone, how's it going? Well, I'm in my tractor here, my t4030 here, and just got done hooking up my mower because I'm going to mow some hay tomorrow. Well, this will be interesting for you all, I think. As you can see, I put my new hydraulic fittings on here that operates off my loader control. So I got the line hooked into it, and I'm actually ready to give it a try. This will be the first time I've tried it. I figure I'd show y'all along, bring y'all along for the test here. So in theory, when I use my loader, pull my loader control, or operate my loader control, my mower should go up and down like it's supposed to, like off a normal remote. So I figure I will give it a try and see what it feels, see what it's like. I'm gonna give it a little throttle here. So I ain't made sure, I haven't quite figured out if I got the lines in the right order back here, but this is where it's gonna give, I'll give it a try. So in theory, pulling back should raise the mower up, pushing forward should let it down. So I am, as you can see, my loader controls right here. So pull back, it should go up, push forward, it should go down. Side to side don't do anything until I get the lift the tie arms on my hay roller switched over. But yeah, so let's give it a try. I'm going to pull back and see what happens here. Let's see. Oh yeah. Now push forward should be down. Good. And this thing does not have float apparently. So I don't have a float control on the loader like I thought I would. Which is alright. I don't need float on here. So float, I do have float on my main hydraulics, but not on my loader control. So yeah. It actually seems like it works great. Just and nice and fast too. So good deal. I'm excited, happy for that. What's that? Good deal. Alright, yeah. That worked out great. Actually, really well. Really well. Nice. Alright. So that actually did work. Yay. So now I don't have to reach behind the seat to operate anything. I just sit here in my seat comfortably and operate my mower with the loader control. That's what my goal was, so it worked out great. As long as I don't spring a leak somewhere. But I'm gonna stop fueling this thing. I'm gonna check it out, and I'm gonna go mow some hay tomorrow. So actually I may go knock a little bit down over here next to the barn that's growing up really bad right over there. So I'm gonna knock that out real quick. But anyways, y'all take it easy, and I'll holler at y'all tomorrow.